Fastest man-made objects ever. Apollo 10 capsule, 24,791 miles per hour. If you think 17,400 miles per hour was fast, wait till you know about Apollo 10 capsule. This one could touch a blazing speed of 24,791 Indian rupees per hour. Now here is a surprising fact about Apollo 10 capsule: it was a rehearsal mission by NASA. Yes, that's right. Apollo 10 was a rehearsal mission by NASA before lunar landing. During the return journey, on 26 May 1969, the Apollo 10 capsule acquired a blazing speed of 24,791 miles per hour. It completed the mission in the unbelievable time of 56 hours. Back then, it received a mention in the Guinness Books of World Records as highest speed achieved by a manned vehicle. Voyager 1, 38,610 miles per hour. Along with being one of the fastest object man has ever made, this is also the farthest traveled object man has ever made. This space probe was launched back in 1977 and its mission was to study about the outer solar system. On August 25, 2013, NASA Voyager 1 has successfully entered the interstellar space. It covered the record distance of 520 million kilometers every year and could easily reach the crazy speed of 38,610 miles per hour. This one is expected to continue its mission until 2025. Discovery Space Shuttle, 17,400 miles per hour. Since this is the fastest thing ever made list, expect a lot of space shuttles, of course. The seventh fastest one is the Discovery Space Shuttle. The first time it went in the space was in the year 1984. Since then, it has made the record of a maximum number of successful missions than any other spacecraft in the history. The spacecraft has made 30 successful flights since it first started. Also, just to give you an idea about how fast it is, its top speed is of 17,400 miles per hour. Stardust, 28,856 miles per hour. Stardust was a result of the development made by our scientists. NASA launched this space probe in the year 1999. The goal of this mission is to collect samples from Comet WILD-2 for laboratory analysis. Stardust completed this mission in the year 2006. It could attain the maximum speed of 28,856 miles per hour. One more fact about this stunning probe is that throughout the mission, it traveled 2 billion miles to meet with the Comet WILD-2. New Horizons, 36,373 miles per hour. Just when humans thought it couldn't come up with anything faster than Stardust, scientists made New Horizons. It was launched in the year 2006, that also happens to be the year when Stardust completed its mission. The goal of this mission was to study about planet Pluto and its moons. It successfully completed its mission on 14th of July 2015. When it was launched on 19th of January 2006, it attained the speed of 36,373 miles per hour and thus became the fastest thing man had ever made by then. Helios 1, 142,000 miles per hour. This one was launched by NASA along with German Space Agency on 10th of December 1974. The main goal of this probe was to study about the solar processes. Helios 1 managed to reach the Sun's elliptical orbit successfully. In the process, it attained a speed of 142,000 miles per hour. This space probe orbit around the Sun at a distance of 1 astronomical unit, 149,597,871 kilometers, from the surface. Till 1982, it kept sending data. Helios 2, 157,078 miles per hour. Helios 2 is definitely the fastest object man has ever made. It moved one step further from its predecessor Helios 1. Helios 2 has looped around the Sun at a record distance of 0.29 astronomical units from the surface. It was launched on January 15, 1976. While on the mission, it attained the speed of 157,078 miles per hour. Both Helios 1 and 2 space probes still remain in the orbit of the Sun.